Hey guys, welcome to a relaxing nighttime clean with me. I believe this is my first one on my channel, and probably because anytime that I have cleaned at night I just haven't recorded it, but anytime that I get to clean at night I just love it because it's the one time that I can clean and there not be any interruptions. So I do love cleaning at night when I get a chance. I don't get to do it as often as I would like, just because I have to go to work and I'm not going to be waiting around for my family to fall asleep during the week. So if I get a chance on a weekend or maybe on a night that I'm off the next day, that's usually when I will find myself doing these. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Maybe it gives you some inspiration to tackle your own nighttime cleaning, or if you are just trying to tackle something on your to-do list today, I hope that I can motivate you to get that done. And if you're just watching this, maybe you're having a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, sit back and relax and just enjoy this clean with me. I find these to be more motivational sometimes than the really upbeat ones, so I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into this cleaning. So you're probably going to notice that I have been cleaning in my last few videos with the Spick and Span that I got from the Dollar Tree, that lavender scent, and that is because I ran out of all of my Mrs. Meyer's and I just have not made the effort to buy new ones, so I figured I'd go ahead and just finish that. And I have so much new cleaning supplies that I have to buy, so I'm actually looking forward to that. I don't know if you look forward to buying cleaning supplies, but I certainly do, and I like trying new scents and I like trying new products, so definitely keeps cleaning interesting and it keeps me motivated to clean.
Maybe you'll make up your mind now.
So to clean the stovetop, I'm using the Barkeeper's Friend it's the powder one, and it works really well to get the stovetop clean. I have used the liquid one, but I find that this one works a little bit better for me. My husband is a little bit rough on the stovetop when he cooks, so trying to keep it clean is not a simple task, but I do love using this Barkeeper's Friend for that.
Closer to me. If you want, open your door. If that's what you want, then baby, try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. By your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark.
So to clean my appliances, I am just using my Norwex glass cleaning rag, and I love this thing. My sister gave me this and I absolutely love using it. I use it on the mirror, I use it on the appliances because they're stainless steel, and it works really, really well. All you need is water, and I love using it.
Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
And I just had a few pans and pots that I needed to clean.
Head up in the clouds, oh my, since I met you. Ooh. Heart out of my sleeve, now what will I do? Danger. You celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshined, the planet's totally alive. I'm bitten, they're bitten, I'm bitten.
So once I had all of that in the sink put away, it was time to give the sink a good scrub and get it clean. So when I was younger, my mom always made a big fuss about the kitchen sink being clean and dry before we finished cleaning the kitchen, and I never understood why she made such a big deal out of it until I became an adult and became obsessed with cleaning my sink. I don't know what it is about having the sink clean at the end of the night and just it being nice and clean and shiny and dried up. There's just something about it, but I always think it's funny because I think about my mom sometimes when I'm cleaning the sink and I'm like, now I get it. Now I get why she always wanted it clean.
Yeah, I'm bitten, I'm bitten, beyond crazy, we're beyond crazy, we're lazy. Oh, you celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshined, the planet's totally alive. I'm bitten, they're bitten, I'm bitten.
After the counters were wiped down and the table was wiped down, it was time for me to sweep. I had not been able to run my robot vacuum the past few days because I think there was a wheel stuck or something was wrong with it. My husband finally fixed it now, but I needed to really give the floor a good sweep and also needed to mop the floor. Before we get to the end of this video, I just wanted to share some words of encouragement with you guys today. I've been reading my devotional. It's called Grit and Grace. It's a devotion for warrior moms, and it is a constant reminder when you are feeling defeated as a mom, when you're feeling overwhelmed, when you're feeling ill-equipped, that we have been recruited for this job as moms. We've been recruited for the job of being a homemaker in our home and taking care of our homes for our family. It is a privilege that God has given us. So on the days where you're feeling overwhelmed, I just want to remind you that God has chosen you as a mom for your little ones and for your family. He chose you to take care of your family, and that is such an honor, and we forget that sometimes. And remember that you have cheerleaders in your section, because this community is full of such encouraging women, and I just am thankful that we can lift each other up. So on your bad days, just remember that you are doing the best that you can, and you're doing an amazing job. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave it a thumbs up if you did like it, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you'll consider hitting that red subscribe button and becoming a part of this community. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I would love for you to go follow me over there. I try to be as active as possible. I'm trying to be more active on there, and it is at Beautiful Gretchen. So I hope I see you over there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.